Hello, teacher. Hello, everybody. Phone call at questions. Sit. I'm calling to ask you about. I'm calling to ask you about. 7. You can call me on. You can call me on. 8. My mobile number is. My mobile number is. 9. Talk to you later. Bye for now. Talk to you. Talk to you later. Bye for now. 10. Thanks a lot. Bye. Thanks a lot. Bye. 11. I'll call you back later. I'll call you back later. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye, teacher.